Hey guys, so yes, you have seen it absolutely correct. I have successfully scored 80 marks out of 100 in what topic? Yeah. This is Constitution of India and Art of Advocacy. Set D, paper number one. I'm the one who is intending to choose this subject. Definitely go for it. Definitely go for it. Even though it is new, but it is very interesting, very interesting. You will love this subject a lot, and personally this subject is very near to my heart, very close to my heart. So I would love to guide you upon this, how you are supposed to go ahead with this. And within a week's preparation time, only 1 week is needed, okay, just to prepare it, and it's very easy. But yeah, one thing is you are supposed to give it a proper reading, and you will enjoy it a lot. So now shall we begin with the amazing things, with what is the weightage and how you are supposed to proceed, what kind of examination questions and what resources has to be referred in it. And I know, my dear brothers and sisters, I am very well aware of it, that you aren't able to find much videos in this set B. So why to worry when Radha is here? Okay, so let's come into the syllabus portion. Yeah, weightage. So see, let's have an overview of it. Okay, first thing, here under the four sections, this total, our whole curriculum is being bifurcated. So, as this paper name suggests, that two categories, right? One is Constitution of India, right? And the second one is the Art of Advocacy. So, 100 marks paper it is. So what is the objective? So by objective, you are getting an overview that what is covered into it. So whenever you are confused in between selecting the subjects, just read their objective. Now I would like to just tell you one thing over here. So see, here they are covering about the basic knowledge. Basic knowledge with regards to what? Basic knowledge with regards to the constitution governing the state, then what? Then government, rights and duties of citizen, right? Rights and duties of citizens. So this is what is our basic thing. But now the question arises in your mind, that why are we supposed to study this subject? Definitely, are you the citizen of India? Then of course you should know what is in our constitution, you should know the basics, right? So this is our responsibility, dear. Am I clear? Okay, now the second objective is talking about legal system in India and apply basic principles of drafting and pleading. So legal system is in India is being having the roots of history, okay, when the Britishers came to our country and what had happened and what all things, okay. So by that, how the legal system evolved and what are the complexities, and you know, being see into art of advocacy now, how the professionals like lawyers and chartered accountants in practice, how they are doing, how the drafting and pleading is done. So you are supposed to, like, have a basic idea about it. And obviously this is all about your common sense. If you are doing articleship now, this is so easy, total common sense, right? So you would have observed how your sir would be going for representing in the cases, right? Going into in before of the income tax, right? For appeal and assessment, if you have heard about it, right? Then yeah, that is the thing in tribunal, how the cases is being fought, and GST tribunal and all. So you would be having the basic idea. If not, then don't worry. In the module, give it a quick shot and read it. It is very easy, and it is very less number of pages. Okay, for art of advocacy. Yeah, Constitution of India might seem to be bulky, but it is very easy. Don't go by the humongous quantity. Go by the subject interest. Okay, now let's come into the weightage part. Okay, so as you are clearly seeing that in the Constitution of India itself, there are three sections, and the fourth section is talking about the art of advocacy. So, part one and part two. Okay, so in the part one Constitution of India, my dear brother, sister, please see that there are total six topics. Okay, and each of them are having respective weightage. So now 20 to 25%. So as you can clearly see that introduction part is having 20 to 25 percentage. That means 20 to 25 marks. Then the second and third portion is having 25 to 35 marks. And the last portion is having 20 to 25 marks a portion, and the art of advocacy itself 20 to 30 marks. So if you are having the variation of, up till 5 marks, it's okay, nothing that big deal. But now if new legislation are enacted in place, don't worry, the module is up to date, you can study the module itself. And if any case institute has brought, then you will be able to see in the portal itself, don't worry about it. But now the main focus area should be upon this topics. So now you, by seeing it, you'll be like, oh my god, introduction, what is preamble? In a school, if you remember, somewhat we studied about preamble, somewhat we studied about fundamental rights. So this all topics already we have done long way ago, right? But we are not just remembering. Now government of union, government of states. So yeah, in union, the executive, parliamentary, judiciary, very important. In executive, who all comes, and the parliament, we talk about Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. In executive specifically, we talk about prime ministers, presidents, right, governor. Then in judiciary specifically about Supreme Court judge, High Court. And in government of states. Okay, so this is all being covered. These are the interlinked topics, very easy. Okay, don't ever worry about it. If you give a one shot, it is very interesting. What is the relation between union and states? So now, very importantly, I would like to emphasize upon certain topics, that procedure for amendments question, institute's favorite, emergency provision, institute's again favorite. Right. This was very favorite topic of institute. In my exam, it was definitely there. In this, each and everything, specifically whether the chartered accountants can represent themselves in tribunals and what is the legal system. Very important. This all topics has been specifically asked. So now each and every topic, of course, upon from it, and like any questions can be asked, but emphasize upon this topics. Don't even dare to leave these topics. Okay, the whole topic is very easy. So let me tell you one thing, dear, that I would like to guide you with regards to one thing. For Constitution of India's basic understanding, there is Mohit Agarwal sir's Constitution of India. Okay, you search on the search bar over YouTube about Mohit sir's, okay, video of Constitution of India. In this 4 hours, he has covered the basic concept of Constitution of India. Okay, how many articles is there? Okay, 448 articles. How many parts and schedules is there? So trust me, you did not need to remember the whole article number, okay, the whole sort of article number. You just need to remember certain important things which Mohit sir has already covered, and he will make you remember the whole article numbers, the relevant article numbers covered in those topics. What all topics is being covered with regards to fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and definitely the basic structure of constitution, and directive principles. Okay, this is being majorly covered by him, and the overview of the presidents and governors with regards to ordinance and all, you will understand it. Once you see this marathon, you will be damn confident. So after this stage one, I will tell you, please read the module for the other chapters. Okay, once you read it, you will be so much confident. And let me show you one part of the module, because see, I love this personal favorite, the national anthem case. So after reading the theory, if you see the case which is being discussed over here, by this were the case studies. Amazing case studies have been given. Not only one, I am saying this, many things. This caught my attention like anything. That is it compulsory to sing the national anthem or not? No, it is not compulsory to sing national anthem. But this is the case study of the children who uh, were not singing. In respect, like they were respectfully standing. But yeah, this was the huge case which had happened. Yeah, amazing, right? Like what is taking place. So headmistress, were expelling the children from school. So once you give it a read, amazing. You will feel like wow, like our constitution has so much beautiful concepts and provisions given. This case study of like right to preach religion and all. So you know what are the things which is governing our life, that is constitution. In short, I can say heart and soul. So I hope I am being able to make you clear about it, and I'm very happy to guide you upon this. So yes, so I am like right now. This is the things which you are supposed to follow, and how much time it will take to prepare. Basically, in this juncture, like how much time? Okay, if you are not reading wholly and solely for this, so 7 to 10 days is enough. Is more than enough for the first timers. Like first timers mean the one who is reading first time. And basically I have studied it earlier. I this is my subject. I found it very interesting. So yeah, it will be very easy for you to just allocate this time and just study. How much time you can give it? 3 to 4 hours, or because if you are reading each and part of the module, so you are supposed to give a thorough reading. Once you have thorough reading, you can make your own notes, and IMP things, like important things which you feel, you can write in a short notes and all. That is what you can do. And now just don't run after the Constitution of India's notes. You need to prepare it by your own self. After reading, you need to summarize it. Alright, but now the question would be arising that whether case study is out of the module is being asked. As far as I am concerned, in my exams, case studies were being asked, but with regards to the landmark judgments, see, not specifically that in which landmark judgment it was being covered, no, but there is a probability that it can be asked. There is a probability that it can be asked. We cannot deny it, right? Okay, so no need to worry that whether I need to remember whole case study. No, don't worry. You do not need to remember each and every case studies, but just you are just going to give it a thorough read. That's it. So don't go after the quantity, just go with the essence. You will be amazed. Like for example, see here also one thing in the Sikh religions, whether the wearing and carrying of kirpans is allowed or not. This is so much things which is being controlling us. We should not involve in the political debate scenario over it, but we should understand that what are the rights, what are the privileges, what are the duties which is being given to us. I hope I have been clear with you. So yeah, even you too can score, and I would be glad that you are scoring very great marks, and however highest marks you can score to this in this subject. And I my best wishes to you, and thank you so much for your viewing. And I wish you really all the best. Please do great. Okay, be confident. You will be able to do it. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.